So this is another example on how in Python. So this time we'll be using the library Pyautogui. So Pyautogui is a library in Python that enables us to use or to display our information on a graphical user interface or GUI. Okay, but before we do that, we need first to import Pyautogui since it's not built into Python. So um, in order for us to import, we need to issue the command pip install Pyautogui. Okay, we can do that in our terminal tab at the bottom of our uh, PyCharms. Okay, so let's try to see. Okay, then press enter. Okay, so as you've noticed, we have here requirement already satisfied, which means that this package is already installed on our system. Okay, so what we need to do is we just need to code this time. We have import Pyautogui. Decide to put an alias py. Okay, num. Okay, enter a value to divide 100. Okay, so we need to enter a value that can divide 100. Okay, next is if num is equals to 0, this will be displayed by that alert. Cannot be divided by 0. Okay, so we need to have a value. We need to enter a value that is greater than 0. Okay, next is else by that alert. The value is 100 over num. Okay, let's try to run this time our code. So we have this is number 27. Okay, enter a value to divide 100. So let's say 25. Okay, so we have here the value is 4. So that's 100 divided by 25, which is equals to 4. Okay, let's try another one. Run. Okay, let's try maybe 10. Okay, the value is 10. So this is actually the output. If you find the contents of this blog useful or interesting, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. And if you wanted to be notified every time a new video is uploaded, don't forget to hit the bell notification button. Thanks.